It sounds like GoGuardian Teacher has a lot of great little features built in that can help us streamline both a virtual environment or an in-person environment.
GoGuardian is really helpful when we're blocking things for students, but I prefer to look at it as an instructional tool and a way to connect with kids. So I really like a couple things about it. You can open tabs for kids. You can talk with them privately, and those two features alone make it a game changer. When I turn the chat on, I'm able to interact with my students. They can't chat with each other. I find this to be incredibly helpful for connecting with students. Students who are shy and self-conscious about asking questions are often a lot more comfortable when they can subtly ask you a question during class and get a response from you, and no other kids have to know that they asked. Another feature I really like is Open Tab. You can save a lot of class time live in the classroom by first just copying the URL that you want them to get to, and then selecting all students at the same time, and then open new tab and simply pasting your URL there.
So this is really helpful in sort of like transitions, like getting everyone to that one place really efficiently, not having to sort of give a giant URL and make sure folks type things in and just get them where they need to be really quickly.
So another feature I really like is student groups. It will sort the students the way that you've decided. So if you know that you're going to be working in groups or you're going to be splitting students among multiple adults, just kind of groups it in a way that's easy for you to interact with them.
These students, do they know that they're in different groups when you do this?
It just looks the same for them.
So it's a great way to differentiate your class. If you have different topics or different tabs that you want for certain groups, you can do that.
Absolutely.